Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on camera on Telegram. First guys, I need to mention that there is no option for turning on your camera on your Telegram application directly. What you need to do, the best solution is just give up from your Telegram application and go for your settings on your phone. Right after that, you need just to scroll down and find for applications, and then you should choose the manage apps. Right after that, you need to go on the search box and type for the application. In this case, it's Telegram. Click on the application and just scroll down, and here as you can see you have on the permissions a lot of options, but what you need to choose is the second one, the application permissions. Manage permissions related to location, storage, phone, messages, and contacts. Click on it. Right after C, as you can see guys, you have allowed all these sections right there, and as you can see also on the second selection, it also allowed the camera. Now, as you can see, not allowed are no permission denied. On your right upper side, you have the all permissions, which you can select it and then it will get allowed sake. Thank guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.